So, get started. How to log in Tinkercad. First, open your web browser and search for Tinkercad like this and search it. Click on this website. Now we will land on Tinkercad website. Here click on login. After clicking that, click on join with class code and type your given class code. Then click on go to my class. Then join with nickname and time nickname given to you and click on that's me. Once you have login, you will land on the Tinkercad dashboard, where you can start new designs, access tutorials and see your past projects. To start a new project, simply click on create and you will back taken to the 3D workplace, where you can start building your ideas. Now you are ready to start designing thinking, whether it is a prototype or something completely new. Tinkercad is a simple tool that can turn your designing thinking ideas into something real. Now we are in the Tinkercad workspace. The first thing you will notice in the large grid called work plane. This grid acts as your canvas for 3D modeling. Think of it as the floor where all your objects will be placed. You can change camera angle by clicking and dragging to rotate or by using the view cube in the upper left corner. Like this. This lets you see your design from different perspectives. Let's take a closer look at the toolbar. At the top, you will see essential functions like undo, redo, copy, paste, duplicate, and delete. These are pretty self-explanatory, but they come in handy when making quick changes to your design. The home button brings your camera back to the default view and fit to view center your design on the screen. This will be useful as your design becomes more complex. On the right, you will see the shapes library. Starting with the basic shapes. Here is where you will find the building blocks of your design like cubes, cylinder, spheres, and cones, etc. The work plane grid helps you align and position your shapes precisely. To add a shape to your design, simply click and drag it into the work plane. Let's start with a simple cube. Once a shape is placed, you can resize it by dragging the white corner handles. Notice the dimensions change as you move the handles. It is perfect for precise dimensions. Here you can rotate also. Also you can change the color of the object. Now it's your turn. Grab some paper, think of a problem and start your own designing thinking adventure. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and for more fun learn. See you next time with coming new videos. Thank you.